Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech, unboxings, and simple tips, you are in the right place. So, in this video, we will talk about how to fix the Instagram live option not showing problem. For this, open the Play Store app on your device. Now, at the bottom, tap on the search icon and search for Instagram. Now, update it if not. And after this, go back to the home page. Now, open the Instagram app on your device. Now, at the bottom right corner, tap on the profile icon. Now, at the top right corner, tap on the three horizontal lines. Scroll down and click on the help option. Click on report a problem. Click on report problem. Click on include and continue. Now, describe your problem here. And after that, tap on send option. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.